What if the most powerful rocket NASA ever launched was also the most beautiful thing humanity has ever put on film? 4 explorers, one machine built from decades of dreams, and a journey that will define what it means to be human. This is Artemis II, and this is its story. Kennedy Space Center, pre-dawn darkness. The Space Launch System stands on the pad, illuminated against the night sky like a monument to human ambition. Steam rises from the base, systems check one by one, and in the crew cabin high above the ground, 4 human beings sit quietly, knowing that in minutes, nothing in their lives will ever be the same again. The ground launch sequencer confirms, GLS, go. The rocket is on its own now. 4 brave explorers ready to ride the most powerful rocket NASA has ever launched. 10, 9, 8, 7. The RS-25 engines ignite. A wall of fire and light erupts from the launch pad with a fury that shakes the ground for miles in every direction. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition. Liftoff. 8.8 million pounds of thrust tears the Space Launch System free from Earth, and the crew of Artemis II, Reid Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, Jeremy Hansen, are now bound for the moon. Humanity's next great voyage begins. The rocket climbs. In 8K clarity, every detail is breathtaking. The solid rocket boosters burning white-hot against the blue morning sky. Shockwave rings rippling outward from the engines in perfect symmetry. The launch tower falling away below as the vehicle accelerates through the lower atmosphere. And then the heat begins. The atmosphere pushes back, aerodynamic forces building to their maximum peak, the moment engineers call Max Q, where every rivet, every weld, every calculation made by thousands of people over decades of work is tested all at once. The rocket holds. It always holds, because this machine was not built by chance. It was built by the most determined species this universe has ever produced. Higher now, the sky darkens. Blue fades to violet, violet fades to black. The solid rocket boosters separate, falling back toward the ocean in twin spirals of smoke and fire. The core stage continues to burn, pushing, climbing, accelerating, and through the windows of the Orion capsule, Earth begins to look different. Not a ground beneath your feet, not a horizon in the distance, but a sphere, a complete and perfect sphere, hanging in absolute darkness. Everything you have ever known, every city, every ocean, every person you have ever loved, contained on that one fragile ball of blue and white. The heat outside the vehicle is extraordinary. The crew communicates calmly, focused, trained, ready, because they did not come this far to look back in fear. They came this far to look back in wonder. And then, at the edge of Earth, at the threshold of the infinite, one of them speaks. In all of this emptiness, you have this oasis, this beautiful place that we get to exist together. 600 kilometers above the ground, moving at 28,000 kilometers per hour, leaving the world behind, and all they can think about is how much they love it. We will explore. We will push further. We will reach deeper into the cosmos than any generation before us. But no matter how far we go, no matter what we find out there among the stars, we will always choose Earth. We will always choose each other. Tell us in the comments, what does watching humanity leave Earth make you feel? We read every single one.